What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another moto vlog. Today we are ripping the 2019 KTM 150 SX. Oh my, overshot the crap out of that. Okay, so right off the bat, this thing is fast. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to be careful. Oh shit. I'm gonna have to be careful with this thing because it takes off when the power hits. Oh my god, like I'm over jumping that jump so much. Didn't mean to over jump that. Wow. It's running good, it's running crisp. I'm only like half a lap in. Holy shit. There's Alan, buddy. I'm not talking so much when I'm riding because I'm trying to hold on to this beast. My God. Yeah, get it, mate. Chasing down Nate on his CRF 150. I can't believe how crisp this thing is running, man. Like all throttle positions on this are so good. Trying to keep this GoPro clean. I keep going through the sprinklers. Bike is smaller, but this is like 150 following 150. He's on a 4-stroke, I'm on 2-stroke. The power rolls on nice and smooth. my God, it's so fast. Wow. I didn't know if I was going to get on the brakes in time for that. Come on, you got this jump, dude. You got it. That one scares people, but it's not anywhere near as hard as people think. Like no clutch, coming out of low RPM, third gear through that corner. It's like someone turned the light switch on this carburetor. Because it absolutely goes. So much mud in my goggles from following him. Can't really see a whole lot. Man, these are fun laps though. I love following someone this close. That shot looks so good, I'm sure. Alright, y'all. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that video. If you did like it, please hit that thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel. If you want to see more content just like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.